It's Amy. Look what I made.
I'm hosting a dinner tonight.
All my friends had different ideas for what to eat.
So I pick an egg to decide what I'll be making today. And I got healthy food from my friend Luna. Then I decided to make this bell pepper stuffed with chicken patty. Chicken breast patty, juicy bell pepper and topped with melted cheese.
I'm going to pre-bake the bell pepper. I have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and orange bell pepper.
Cut off the bell pepper head and clean the seed inside. I chop the bell pepper head into pieces. I will mix into the chicken patty.
Bake at 350 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make the chicken patty. Ground chicken, egg, garlic powder.
Using a mixer to make the chicken patty. Adding all the ingredients, mix until it's paste consistency. Paste is ready. Add the chopped bell pepper into the chicken paste. Oh, I decided to have one fun question for my friend since she really wants healthy food. About how many calories are in one baked stuffed bell pepper? Time to make the patty. I divided by into 12 pieces. I'm going to make the caramelized onion, which it will add more flavor.
Everything's ready. I'm going to assemble the bell pepper and do the second bake. Another 5 to 10 minutes. The bell peppers are ready. Let me plate up.
Wow, it looks amazing and delicious. Ready in 20 minutes only. So easy. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.